Good morning, children. Welcome back to our science online class. Children, what was our last topic? Do you remember? Yes, we learned about building houses and we learned the different steps to build the house. Then we learned the reasons for people making different types of houses. Children, what is the first step in building a house? Yes, laying foundation is the first step in building a house. Then why people are making different types of houses in different areas? Because it depends on the natural condition, materials, space and cost. In today's class, we are going to learn a new lesson, that is matter and its states. Children, we can see different types of things around us. That means people, houses, sun, moon, star, wind, air, etc. Then most of things around us are matter. You know what is matter? The stuff that everything is made of is called matter. What is matter, children? The stuff that everything is made of is called matter. Then how do we know what is matter and what is not matter? How can we find out, children? Anything made of matter occupies, takes up space and has weight. If this is a matter means it occupies space and has weight. For example, book, table, food, water, oil, ice, metals, glass, paper, etc. all occupy space and have weight. Then we and the people around us also have space and weight. Children, even air also occupies space and weight. Children, heat, light and sound do not take up space or have weight. So it is not a matter. These all are a form of energy. Children, we know most of the things around us are matter. And some of these things like car, ice, metals, glass, paper, cloth, etc. they have fixed shape and they are solids. And some like water, coffee, oil, juice, etc. they do not have a fixed shape and they will change the shape if we change the container. They are liquids. And some like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, they do not have a fixed shape and volume. They are gases. So children, matter has three forms. They are solid, liquid and gaseous. The matter has three form or states. They are solid, liquid and gaseous. And this matter behaves differently in its three states. Solids. Children, solids have a fixed shape and volume. For example, glass, metals, paper, table, chair, pen, etc. they have a fixed shape and we cannot change its shape unless we break it. And if we compress or squeeze it to make them occupy more or less space. The space something occupy is its volume. What is volume, children? The space something occupies is its volume. So, solid has a fixed volume and a fixed shape. Children, cotton, sponge and clothes are examples for solids. And we learned we cannot change the shape of solids unless we break it. But we can squeeze cotton or sponge. You know why? Such solids have a lot of spaces filled with air. So, when we squeeze cotton or sponge, we actually squeeze out air from them. Liquids. Children, liquids have any shape? No, liquids do not have any fixed shape, but they have a fixed volume. When we pour 1 liter of water in a jar. Now what is the shape of the water now, children? It is the shape of the jar. Then when we pour into a water bottle, now it is the shape of that water bottle. So liquids, they do not have fixed shape, but they have a fixed volume. Children, can we pour water from a bottle to glass? Yes, but we cannot pour ice from a bottle to glass. This is why liquids flow, but solids do not flow. Children, we cannot compress liquids. Draw some water into a syringe. Press the mouth of the syringe hard against your palm and try to push the plunger. So, now we will not able to compress. You know why? Because liquids cannot be compressed. Children, most gases are colorless. Then it has any fixed shape, children? No, gases do not have any fixed shape. They flow and spread out. So it is difficult to see how they behave. But children, when we fill the air into a balloon, it has shape. And the things that do not have a fixed shape and can flow are called fluids. What is fluids, children? Things that do not have a fixed shape and can flow are called fluids. Gases and liquids are fluids. Okay, we know liquid also have no fixed shape and it can flow. Like that, gases also, it does not have any fixed shape, but it can flow and spread. So they are called fluids. Then unlike liquids, gases do not have a fixed volume also. Children, gases do not have fixed shape and volume, but they can spread out and fill up all the spaces they get. Children, burn one incense stick into a room, but you can able to smell in it next room. You know why? Because the air spread out and fill up all the spaces they get. Children, we cannot compress the liquids, but we can compress the gases. Gases can be compressed into a small space. Children, draw air into a syringe. Press the mouth of the syringe and hard against your palm and push the plunger. Then now you will be able to compress the air inside the syringe into a small space. Gases can be compressed. We can compress the gas into a small space. Children, we know matter has three forms or states. Which are the children? Yes, they are solid, liquid and gaseous. And matter behaves differently in its three states. Isn't it, children? Yes, solid have fixed shape and fixed volume. And liquid, they do not have a fixed shape, but they have fixed volume. And what about gas, children? Gases do not have a fixed shape and fixed volume. You know, the different states of matter are useful. We know gases have no fixed shape and fixed volume, and it can change the shape. So, tires can change shape as they go over bumps. And liquids can flow. Liquids, they do not have a fixed shape, but they have fixed volume and they can flow. So it is easy to transfer them one thing to another. Solids. Solids have fixed volume and fixed shape, and they are hard and keep the shape. So we use them to make different things. Children, let's discuss the fill-ups and question answers. First one, the stuff that everything is made of is called dash. The stuff that everything is made of is called matter. Second, dash have fixed shape and fixed volume. Solids have fixed shape and fixed volume. Third one, dash have a fixed volume but do not have fixed shape. Liquids have a fixed volume but do not have fixed shape. Fourth one, things do not have fixed shape and can flow are called fluids. Then answer the following. How do we know that what is matter and what is not matter? The stuff that everything is made of is called matter. Anything made of matter occupies space and weight. Example, food, water, books, table, etc. Then name two things that are not matter. They are light and heat. Third one, what are the three states of matter? The three states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. Fourth one, name one characteristics of solids that is useful to us. Solids are hard and they have fixed shape. So we use them to make things. Fifth one, what are fluids? The things that do not have fixed shape and can flow are called fluids. Gases and liquids are fluids. Children, hope you all understood about today's topic and write your classwork very neatly and learn the fill-ups and question answers. And the remaining part we will